Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Today I am going to reveal the secret of the new AI tool which help us to writing the programming codes. So this is the chat .x.ai. This is the you will be able to go to the Google and type this one. This is the site. Okay, chat. Okay, it's new AI. Okay, this is one. Okay, so this is the best one. Okay, you will be able having a billing subscription everything as well. Before you are going to having a subscription, you have to try on the free. So you are sign in using the your Gmail account. So I'm going to log in via my Gmail account. We'll try. Okay, so you have to log in. Now here you go over here. So your deep think and search and everything's are there. This is a deep thing. When you asking the doubt, it is thinking and answer it. So I'm going to go to do any programming. So I'm going to do the things I want to act as a can write act as a Node.js developer. Okay, so it is thinking and it is going for the deep thing. Okay, so you can if it is not deep thing, you can go to the search. Okay, deep thinking you can get the good answer. So you can see here if it is a we have put the Node.js developer. So it is simply it's a express which is a backend. So everything that in the as a beginning how to assign the port and everything, how the API works, and JSON, how the output come as a JSON format, and everything it will be display as output. Okay. So starting the project targets MVC and macro service, there will be the service we have to integrate it. So everything it is in detail. It will be provide us for the output. Okay, now what I'm going to do is now over here I'm going to go to I'm going to tell them here I need a you have to generate the code for CRUD application Node.js API. Okay, backend database using MongoDB database. So, okay, so you can write I need to generate the code for CRUD application Node.js API using MongoDB database. You will generate it. Now you'll be able to see the output. Okay, you have to wait some time. You will be able to get the proper output. Here you will be able to see here the code is very structured. Okay, you can see here it let me know at the authentication WT. You can click yes. Yes mean it is doing the JWT authentication as well. Okay, so here everything here it is telling that the RESTful API as well here. Everything, so here the CRUD application here connected MongoDB are here. It's a server, how to start with the server, and here we have do the route. Here you will be able to see everything. Get all, you have to get all the API. You have to search API, so update and delete everything. It is done. Okay, very professional code here. It's very professional code. You will be able to try on the uh, this one. Okay, so the everything it in detail we will be get this tool. Okay, GLM from. Okay, so it's very good AI. So in 2026 you will be able to try on it. Here at the authentication as well, here the here JSON, this is the JSON, this is the authentication. Okay, it lists out the authentication, the oath, and everything. It is the middle tier also. It will be displaying everything in detail. We will be able to get it. So you must using this tool. This is very nowadays there are a lot of the companies are trying this tool. That's why I bring this video. This is very helpful to grow on your programming languages. So that it is a Node.js we have for a Node.js developer. You must try this tool. It's very helpful us to learn it. Here, every authentication also here to implement the authentication as well. Okay, so here the authentication. Okay, so before you're driving to here, the if you are Docker configuration also, so how to create the Docker file. Okay, so that how to implement the Docker file, that configure this port and everything. Okay, so the everything is the Docker also that explain well. Okay, you can. Okay, now you fully containerized secure JP API, REST API. You will be happy code. Okay, you have to try on this AI tool. This is very help us to do the programming well. Thank you for watching.